In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to cancel an order on Facebook Marketplace. First, navigate to Facebook Marketplace by clicking on the Marketplace icon. From there, go to your inbox, then make sure to toggle to Buying. Find and select the conversation with the seller of the order you wish to cancel. Communicate with the seller and let them know that you want to cancel the order. Once you both agree to cancel the transaction, it will be processed accordingly. Additionally, you can try another method by navigating to See More and scrolling down to find Orders and Payment. Since I don't have an order to demonstrate, follow these steps. Select the order you want to cancel, scroll down, and look for the Cancel Order option. Click on Cancel Order to confirm the cancellation. Be aware that the refund process might take up to 10 business days for the approval and the funds to reflect back into your account. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.